Imagine typing all day with the ultimate comfort and support. Welcome to your new productivity partner, the Logitech Wave Keys Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. With its sleek, wavy design, this keyboard naturally positions your hands, wrists, and forearms for comfortable typing sessions. Say goodbye to strain thanks to the cushioned palm rest made with memory foam, providing you with the support you need while you conquer your to-do list. Personalize your experience using the Logi Options Plus app to create shortcuts that save you precious time, keeping your work flowing smoothly. Plus, connect effortlessly to your laptop, tablet, or phone with Easy Switch technology. And with an incredible battery life of up to 3 years, you can focus on what matters most. Ready to transform your workday into a smoother experience? Don't miss out. Click bio to get your Logitech Wave Keys today.